GPM, or gallons per minute, is the key measurement that determines how much hot water your tankless water heater can supply at any given moment. A higher GPM rating means more hot water is available for simultaneous use across multiple fixtures in your home. Different fixtures in your home require different amounts of hot water flow. Let's look at the typical GPM requirements for common household appliances. To determine your GPM needs, you need to add up the flow rates of all fixtures you might use simultaneously. For example, if you run a dishwasher, take a shower, and use the washing machine at the same time. However, there's another important factor that affects flow rate: temperature rise. This is the difference between your incoming cold water temperature and your desired hot water temperature. A larger temperature rise will result in a lower flow rate from your tankless water heater. This relationship is crucial for proper sizing and performance expectations. Understanding both GPM requirements and temperature rise is essential for selecting the right tankless water heater that will meet your household's hot water demands efficiently. Choosing the right size tankless water heater is critical for optimal performance. The key is matching the unit's GPM rating to your household's maximum hot water demand. To determine your household demand, you need to know the flow rates of different fixtures. Here's what typical household fixtures require in gallons per minute. Proper sizing is crucial because undersizing leads to insufficient hot water and overworks the unit, while oversizing increases upfront costs without providing additional benefits. Here are general GPM guidelines based on simultaneous fixture usage. 3.5 GPM works for 1 to 2 fixtures, 5 GPM for 2 to 3 fixtures, and 7 GPM for 3 to 4 fixtures used at the same time. Regional climate affects sizing requirements. For a family of 5, a 10 GPM unit is recommended in northern states due to colder incoming water, while a 7 GPM unit may suffice in the warmer south. Gas-fired tankless water heaters typically offer higher temperature rise capabilities compared to electric models, making them more suitable for colder climates and higher demand applications. For precise sizing, consider consulting a licensed plumber or using online tools like Naven's Navisizer, which helps determine the appropriate size based on your specific household needs and location. The tankless water heater market is experiencing significant growth, driven by energy efficiency and space-saving benefits. The market is projected to reach $9 billion by 2033, reflecting increasing consumer demand for these efficient systems.